Working in there.
The cigarette lighter.
Yeah. So we're trying to figure out which fuse.
What do you need a cigarette lighter for? Just quit.
That's not for smoking.
It's to run accessories.
It's my Bluetooth receiver.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, we all use those things.
Yeah. Heated. You have heated seats in there?
I do have heated seats, I think. Actually, maybe not. Hold up. What I feel like I do.
And you haven't been using them?
Heated seats?
It's winter.
Yeah, I know.
It's the only time to use them. So as you can see, the Jimmy has a couple problems. The cigarette lighter doesn't work. There was no coolant in it, so he's driving around with no coolant. Arc's crazy. He's gonna blow an engine.
My guess is the reason it's not working is because of the fuse, but it's hard to decipher these letters.
I don't know how to decipher them.
It's good.
Nah, crap.
Yeah, look how big that is.
I was hoping it was gonna be
60 amp
bad.
fuse.
Big fungus.
I was hoping it was gonna be bad, so I can fix my light. I have 2 others that work just fine.
2 other what?
Cigarette lighters that work. But hold up. What? You gotta understand. You gotta understand. You gotta understand.
I don't.
Look. So my cigarette lighter that I like is right here.
That's the one you like.
This is the one that doesn't work. If I want to change the station, I gotta do this while I'm driving.
Has it ever worked?
This is worked originally when I first got in the car. Yeah. Hold on, I want to show this thing here. That's what you need.
Just as I thought. Nothing.
Just as I thought, nothing.
Dead.
I could have told you that.
You're dead in the water.
Beginning.
Yep. So you want to be able to access this?
Yeah, I don't want to be leaning over and driving.
Without leaning over. Well, I reckon we start taking stuff apart.
What's for me?
Yep.
I'll go to the gym.
Appears to have been doused in Coke or something. Coca-Cola. Dried sugar.
I'd have to imagine. Right.
Soaked in maple syrup.
Soaked in maple syrup.
The thing about cigarette lighters is that it's always on.
Always? Even when the car's off?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one is. That one probably isn't. But
So we don't want to shock ourselves. Or they used to be. I don't know if it's still like that.
I know the other ones.
Oh.
The
Screws.
What was the reason for discontinuing the Jimmy?
Terrible name. Now we can test it and see if it is this or if it's not getting anything.
God damn. Oh, look! No, hang on. Wait.
Nothing.
Back here. Hat.
That's strange. We're expecting 12 volts or something. It's possible this one powers on with the ignition on.
No, that one is the same as the others.
Well, let's put the key on and see if there's any difference.
Ready?
So,
Fuse.
well,
Sure enough, he came over here, saw his little rod in there. He has his fuses. Look at that, it's a door, 15 amps.
it's broken.
That one's broken?
Yeah, can you see that? It's burned.
Look at them, they almost look the same. That one right there.
The intermediate size.
I bet you.
That'll work.
I might be an idiot, but looks to me there's a 15 amp spare fuse right there.
I'll be damned. I don't think this video is going to work because we look like complete idiots. Complete incompetence.
Number two. Is that in there? Okay, so is that even in there? I do this right?
Now that the wiring harness is back on, let's put the negative battery back on and make sure this works.
Just make sure it works. It works.
Hooray!
Yay. Oops.
Well, now, Ark, you can smoke all the cigarettes you can dream of. Your thing's fixed.
Yeah, I can listen to music with peace without having to, take my eyes off the road.
Final thoughts on
Well,
your diagnosis?
it was humbling experience.
Let's beat him up. Let's beat him up.
He's in love.
All right. Merry Christmas, everybody. It's officially the next day. Ark's playing some pool. He sucks. But we got his cigarette lighter fixed. hopefully we're gonna be able to take the snowmobiles out here in a couple hours. We gotta go get them turned on and warmed up and find some helmets and whatnot so nobody gets concussed. And
Damn shame if I died.
he's already been concussed a couple times. I have, so safety's key. Are you coming snowmobiling with us today?
Sometime probably, yeah.
All right, get ready. All right, we're heading down to the shop now. We're gonna get these snowmobiles started. It's a beautiful day out here in Idaho, as you can see.
Yeah.
Oh, white Christmas. Yeah, Ark has his brand new jacket. He's looking spicky.
No, it looks good. I always look good. I don't know what to talk about.
Before we take the snowmobiles out, we're gonna go feeding real quick. It's probably gonna take us about 10 minutes or so. Knock that out of the park and then,
Feed?
yeah, we feed. Yeah, and then have some fun.
Yeah.
Either last night or this morning, the cows were rubbing against this gate right here and popped it open. And so yeah, we gotta fix that real quick before we feed and then snowmobile. That's the game plan. Look, there's blood on the barbed wire from them rubbing against it.
I see that.
You idiots! Stop rubbing on the gate. All right, well, this is fixed now. Good to go. Now I'm gonna go walk down there and open that gate up so the tractor can get through it and start feeding. All right, well, feeding's done. We're gonna get the snowmobile started. Hopefully they start, because you never know with those things, to be honest. We just gotta find some helmets. We got one helmet already put by one of the snowmobiles. We're just gonna find one more. Like I said, if we can't find it, you're putting on the bike helmet, dude. Putting on the bike helmet. Oh, I almost tripped. Found you a helmet. Bike helmet.
Shuts you up about it. Yeah, put this on the channel. Jeez, either
it's all they wear at like ski resorts, I swear.
Either I have a small ass head, or the rest of his head is
Arctic cat.
Yeah, that's someone to drive Arctic cat. Actually, no, I'm not.
Were you gonna drive this one?
This one doesn't work with it.
Which one works? These two?
Maybe this one and that one.
Polaris?
Yeah, give me a helmet.
Alright. We're just gonna start them first.
I'm good.
Yeah. See if I can't turn this on.
Now you gotta get a couple of pulls.
So, key.
Choke is up.
Choke's up. Pull that up. I'm pulling.
Go flood it.
Let's see if the Arctic cat turns on at least. Run. Pull this up. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Want to run? Alright.
Does that one warm up a little bit?
Yeah, we're gonna let this one warm up. Trying to get this one started though. This one's having trouble starting. At least this one's purring. Oh yeah. This one's broken as well. Come on, Arthur, you got this. I started the other one. You can start this one.
Yeah, that one starts easy.
No, that one starts.
Bullshit.
Don't lie to the camera. Here, you whip her first.
No. Is it right here?
Yeah, we'll go out. We'll go out to the pasture. I still got to go get my head mount.
Right.
All right, you're good to go. Let's see. Don't hurt yourself. Woo! Let's go. He's gone. Oh, he almost wrecked. That's why you wear a helmet, ladies and gentlemen. Here, I'm gonna get up this snow mound. See if I can't get a good angle. Oh! Not easy to climb in cowboy boots. There he comes. Oh, he just got air. That was nuts. Let's go, baby. How is it?
Oh. There you have it. You don't need a hat like that.
I couldn't see.
No. You look good. Alright. The Arctic Cat EXT 580.
Put these bad boys on real quick. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Now we're looking good.
Now we're looking good. That's good.
I haven't rode one of these in forever, so if I kill myself,
Hey.
get the ambulance.
Just no, doing it once before don't really work, so. Oh yeah, I hear him. Where is he? Don't die. He's coming in. I love it. I love it.